these. 10mm socket. So your clutch pedal goes on the whole way into the floor, and you're nice and juke. You know what it is. That was weird up there. And just slide it like that. There you have it. See the whole cylinders came apart. Next step, when you clean this up, get all the old bits of plastic cleaned up. Just a cylinder, the slave cylinder, and I've got this for a new clutch as well. So once you go to the bottom of the gearbox out, you see how it works there. So the whole cylinder's just failed. So anyway, next step, you clean this up, place the cylinder, and we'll put a new clutch as a bar in the next video. Okay, I have our new clutch kit here. Next step, I'm going to reinstall the clutch on the plate. Then we'll reinstall the gearbox. That's the clutch cylinder up now and tightened up. Next step, we install the gearbox.